girl Crystal, aka Curly Crystal, in this thing. What's happening, okay? Y'all, clearly I'm in a good mood, okay? Clearly. Let's get into this hair, y'all. Y'all know the previous video was all about this twist out, okay? These twists I did. And in today's video, we are taking them out and seeing if this twist out combo is as popping as I think it is, or I think it will be, okay? So that's what we're doing in today's video. If you are new here, welcome to your girl's channel, okay? Go ahead and do one thing and one thing only for your girl, and that is smash that button down below, okay? Smash that button down below, baby girl. It's time. So I'm not even gonna talk that much in today's video. I'm gonna be using the Melanin Hair Care Oil, okay, to get the shine popping, okay? No frizz, none of that. So I stretched these twists a little bit. I did not stretch these two because I like for these to be regular, you know, normal. I stretched the rest of them though, so got a little length to it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this oil on my hands, just a tad. It smells so good. And now let's get to separating. In the previous video, y'all said it was gonna be popping, so we finna see sis, okay? And if you are not sure what I'm referring to, make sure you go watch the previous video on the juicy twist for the perfect twist out, where I installed these twists, and I also showed you guys what products I use. Ooh, yes, y'all may have been right. See, I knew it was gonna be some kind of popping. I just knew it, cause like, well, let me not talk too much because we ain't separate yet, okay? if they got a floor, that's a spot, okay? Like,
I haven't caught a couch.
You get you a palette. You make a palette.
But a palette?
A palette.
I wrote 12 hours. We could have made a palette to make 1,000 of my face. Like, I don't even know it.
Okay, fam. The hair is looking so good. It's actually cute. Like, I will actually wear this like this. This looks real cute. Like, do y'all see the definition over here? Yes! Look at that, sis. Come on now. The shine. What? Talk to me. Wow, this is popping. All right, let's separate. Let's hope there's no frizz in sight. All right. Okay, I'm gonna leave this piece alone. See, if we don't want to separate, move on to the next. Do y'all see it? Do you see it? Okay. Hello. Talk to me. This is looking great so far. I haven't even looked in the mirror yet, but I just have a feeling that it's popping. What do y'all think? Let me know. What y'all thinking so far? Ooh. One side is separated, sis. Wow. Wowzers, this looks so good. This will be one for the books, baby girl. All right, I'm gonna go separate the other side, fluff a little bit, and we're gonna look at these final results, okay? Hello. Hello. Sis, family, gather around the table, okay? Grab your chair, gather around the table. Let's chat. Let's chat because this is outstanding. Oh my gosh, y'all, do you see this? Sis, the definition, okay? Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. It looks so good. Hey, hey. I'm so happy I stretched these twists as well, cause y'all know I gave myself that little trim, so my hair would have been like way shorter than this, but it looks like my normal length since I gave myself that trim. Y'all understand, I feel like myself now, because I was starting to feel a little weird because I hadn't put out a twist out video. I hadn't done a twist out in a little second, so I was starting to like really feel like, oh my gosh, not myself. But now look, I'm back in action, okay? Yes, y'all, just look at the definition. Hold on, got a piece right here. Y'all, the definition is popping. Like, separating so easily. Oh my. This twist out is popping. I knew that combo was gonna be lit. I knew it. If you wanna know what combo I'm talking about, click that video right before this one, okay? Because y'all need to see what products I use. Y'all need to see it. If you are not familiar with what I use, you need to go click that video right before this one and check it out. Cause baby girl, these results, y'all, oh my gosh, look at the bounce, the bounce, the bounce, the bounce. Yes! Oh! It looks so good, y'all. Like, look at it. Sis. Wow. All right, y'all. That's it, baby. This combo is it. It's lit. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about this twist out, because I am feeling it. I am loving it. I'm ready to go somewhere now. Let me call my man, because I need to be taken somewhere. I looks too good, baby girl. Like, I looks great. This hair looks great, okay? Somebody gotta see me. Somebody gotta see me, sis. But yes, y'all, that's the end of today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this twist out. Okay? Are y'all feeling these results as well? Drop me a comment down below. Let your girl know. And I appreciate you for tuning in to today's video. I love you as always. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Peace. Hold up, y'all. I just gave myself some more volume and wanted y'all to see. All right, that's it. Bye.